This case is pure courtroom frustration. Meet Robert Boyd, a man who's been given every chance to clean up his property and ignored every single one. We're talking about 2 years of junk piles, broken down cars, and ignored orders. Now Judge Caitlin Brown has reached her breaking point. What you're about to see isn't just a code violation hearing, it's the collision of patience and defiance. Boyd has been warned, fined, inspected, and reminded, yet his property still looks like a scrapyard. And when you hear his excuses, an election, a reunion, even bad weather, you'll understand why this judge finally snaps. The question is, will 5 days in jail be enough to get his attention, or is Robert Boyd just beyond reasoning?
Because he's not going to listen. He's not going to comply with the orders. Yeah. He's not defiant. No, you're not. No. Your name?
Robert Thomas Boyd.
Before we go on, I'll be happy to provide you with a lawyer if you want. This is a review hearing.
No, sir.
You waive your right to a lawyer.
I do.
Name?
Caitlin Boyd, Attorney, Brownstown Township.
Rob Harris, Inspector, Brownstown Township.
Please tell me he did what I told him to do.
As of yesterday at about 2 p.m., no.
Nothing?
Nothing. The property looks worse.
You're going to force me to do something I don't want to do, Mr. Boyd.
I've done a lot of work out there.
Okay, let me just go through this with you then. Okay? I ordered that the garage must be torn down and removed from the property.
At this point, the judge is reciting her list of orders like a disappointed parent checking chores, garage demolition, vehicle removal, weed control, all ignored. What's powerful here is her composure. Every order she reads is a reminder of how much leniency he's already burned through. This is where the real weight of courtroom authority comes in. The law isn't optional, it's a contract, and Boyd's failure to comply doesn't just break that contract, it disrespects the system itself. Here's a thought. If a judge has to beg someone to follow basic safety and zoning laws, what does that say about how far respect for authority has fallen?
On or before September 15, 25, and the undersurface filled to grade level. Did you do that?
No.
I ordered that all non-permitted accessory structures be removed from the property. Did you do that?
What structure would that be?
Remind me.
It's like the mobile home.
Right.
You use as storage.
Rob was supposed to give me a phone number, a place that takes RV.
Why don't you tell me what you've done? I ordered you to have all vehicles on the property licensed and operable, and that they had to be located on a concrete or asphalt driveway surface. When I read these to you, you can interrupt me. You can stop me and say, Judge, I did that. Did you do that one?
No, sir.
I also said all inoperable vehicles have to be stored inside an enclosed building or removed from the property on or before October 1. Did you do that?
Partially.
I also ordered that all recreational vehicles have to be operable as well as licensed and registered to the owner or occupant of the property. Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
Did he?
I have no proof of that. I've called for an inspection, no return call, no nothing. I had never.
Recreational vehicles must be stored on hard or pervious concrete, asphalt, permeable grass, pavers, or gravel surface. Recreational vehicles have to be used for their intended purpose and not as storage. Winter boat storage is only permitted on residential waterfront surfaces and therefore not permitted at the property. Junk, trash, rubbish, tarps, anything that creates rodent harborage or refuse of any kind needs to be removed. The weeds, grass, and undergrowth must be cut and maintained so as not to be higher than 8 inches. And I also ordered that prior to the review hearing of actually today or September 26th, I said, defendant is to permit Brownstown officials on the property for a compliance inspection. Did you allow them? Did you call there?
Yeah.
Did he call you and he never called you back? Why didn't you do that?
Didn't get it.
Listen. Mr. Boyd,
There are some, circumstances here I'd like to tell you about.
Mr. Boyd, I'm going to listen to you. But it's not like this just started. This has been going on for, as I understand it, how long?
Well, there's opens, for over a couple of years, and then I took it on, like at least 8 months ago.
And the property's getting worse. I went out there. I didn't want to touch anything. I want to listen to what you have to say.
Right here, Boyd starts listing his excuses: an election, a family reunion, bad weather. But the judge cuts through the noise instantly. She's not buying any of it. This is classic judicial fatigue. That moment when the patience runs out and the focus shifts from persuasion to punishment. This case highlights a key reality. The court doesn't punish you for your circumstances, it punishes your choices. Boyd had months to act, but waited until it was too late. So when the judge says she doesn't know what else to do, that's not exaggeration. That's a legal ultimatum. Would you say he deserves one more chance? Or is this exactly what happens when leniency goes too far?
I'm going to shut up and let you talk. Tell me whatever you'd like to tell me.
Well, I'm, chairman of the Wayne County Canvassing Committee. We had an election. That was, 2 weeks. Every day. When you have an election, birthdays don't count, holidays don't count. We have to be there every day for 2 weeks.
When was that?
It was trying to think of the date.
Well, 2 weeks, but I ordered this.
Yeah, well,
I ordered this back on July 30. This is September. So since July 30, just to do some quick math for you, we've had 32. We've had 56 days. So even if you were tied up in some kind of an election, for 14 of those, you still had 42 days.
yeah.
What else? What else? I want to listen to your extenuating
I
circumstances.
had a family reunion that was put on me and I didn't know about.
Mr. Boyd,
That was 4 days.
you've had 2 years. The property's junk.
I'm working on it.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
That'd be like, no, you're
I
not.
got the boat out for sale up near the road. I got,
Now you're going to tell me it's bad weather and you can't.
And here it is, the emotional climax. The judge repeats herself in disbelief, almost pleading, "You're not listening. You're not doing anything." You can feel the frustration boiling over. It's not just about a messy property anymore. It's about defiance, about someone daring the system to react. Then, she delivers the blow. You're going to serve 5 days in jail. 5 days might sound light, but in courtroom terms, it's symbolic. It's her final tool to make him take her orders seriously. The whole exchange captures a rare moment when a judge stops being diplomatic and becomes purely human.
Can't do this stuff. I don't know what to do with him. I'm going to be completely candid. I don't know what to do. Because he's not going to listen. He's not going to comply with the orders. He's not defiant. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not going to comply with orders. You're going to give me every excuse under the sun. And this can't go on. It just can't go on. And you're going to force me to put you in jail today. And I don't want to do that.
I don't want to go.
I feel like I've begged you to do these things and you're not doing them. And then last time I got a little more forceful and I ordered you to do it and you haven't done anything.
I'm working this.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Come on. Don't lie to me.
I'm not.
I don't like people that lie to me. I think there's nothing worse than a person that stands in the courtroom and looks a judge in the eye and lies to them. This is, I don't know what to do with you. I don't know what to do with you other than jail you because I'm not going to get your attention. You're not, you're gonna give me every excuse in the sun, under the sun. Reunions, elections, 2-week election for a canvas presidency or whatever you,
The election is 14 days.
I just don't know what to do with him anymore. It's fully Carter. Am I supposed to put him in jail or am I supposed to just let him defy orders? That's basically my options here.
I am working on it.
Why didn't you call him back?
Pardon? Oh, I didn't get,
Why didn't you call him back?
I didn't get it. I didn't get his call.
Did you leave a message? When?
Been probably 3-4 weeks, but I've been out to the property. I mean, I drive by it probably at least twice weekly. There's been no contact.
I knew this was gonna happen.
That doesn't work.
I knew this was going to happen. I just knew this was going to happen. I was 1000% positive that this is what was going to happen, and I was going to have to sit here now and decide, do I let in gentlemen like Mr. Boyd, you are a gentleman, defy orders repeatedly, or do I send you to jail? And I don't think I have an option.
I need more time.
You're going to serve 5 days jail starting today, sir. It's first technical, I'm sorry, that's what I'm doing. Defendant to serve 5 days jail forthwith. And
Hard to do any work from jail.
Listen.
I'm going to make a promise to you. You do this again, you're going to be sitting in there over Christmas. I promise.
After the sentence, the judge's tone shifts. She warns him about spending Christmas in jail next time. It's firm but almost parental, like a last warning before the hammer drops for good. Then, in a striking moment of self-awareness, she says, "I don't know what else to do." That line alone sums up the frustration of countless judges dealing with chronic non-compliance. Boyd's reaction? Still mild, still dismissive. It's as if he's tuned out the entire proceeding. It's a fascinating contrast. A man unmoved by authority and a judge who's just reached her breaking point.
Not playing games with you. That's a junkyard. You have neighbors. They don't need to have that blight by their house. My God, who would buy a house anywhere near there? I don't know what else to do. You're in custody for 5 days. Good luck. We're going to set another review. Lisa, give me another review hearing date in a month. If you don't have it done, sir, I'm telling you, bring your toothbrush and 85 pairs of clean underwear. Do we understand one another?
I do.
Good. Okay, new review hearing date, and you're going to allow him access too the minute he's out. The minute you're out, you answer his phone calls. I'm sorry, Lisa, go ahead.
October 22nd at 8:30.
October 22nd at 8:30.
Yeah, before, can I just double check what Mr. Boyd's phone number is?
What is your phone number, Mr. Boyd? I don't know what else to do.
My concern is, Mr. Boyd's had problems with ordinance since I was in middle school, as far as I'm concerned. This continues to happen. This citation was issued back in April. We've been running around with this. It's not only the neighbors and the blight issue, it's also the dangerousness of the building, especially that garage. He hasn't taken out any permits or anything of that nature, so he's had no intention to comply.
No, I've just heard excuse after excuse.
Gotta have a permit.
And I knew,
Demolition permit, but you have to at least have the building inspector out there to make sure that the structure can come down, if there's electricity there and what the plan is. So you can't just demolish it and have everything sit there. So that you'd have to have a plan at least at minimal, approved by the building inspector for any demolition.
But he told me that.
Mr. Boyd,
And with that, the hearing ends. Robert Boyd sentenced to 5 days in jail for ignoring nearly every court order on his property. The lesson here? The justice system has limits to its patience. You can talk about rights, freedom, and personal property all you want, But when your actions spill into public blight and safety hazards, the law steps in. This wasn't about paperwork. It was about accountability. The judge gave him every chance to fix it, and when words failed, consequences followed. If you found this courtroom moment as jaw-dropping as we did, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real courtroom showdowns where justice speaks louder than excuses.